How about making $500 a month while still being jobless? Yes, you heard it right. I'll show you how, so stick till the very end. Have you heard of affiliate marketing? 'Cause this might be your way of making $500 per month. Affiliate marketing is a way for a company to sell its products by using other companies to do the selling for them. These other companies, called affiliates, are rewarded with a commission for each sale they make. This type of marketing can be a great way to make money, as there is no need to create or stock any products. It's no doubt that affiliate marketing has become increasingly popular in recent years. This is likely due to the fact that it is a very effective way to make money. Affiliates can earn commissions of up to 75% on sales, making it a very lucrative way to make money online. There are many different ways to get involved in affiliate marketing, so there is something for everyone. Now you might be thinking, why use affiliate marketing? Well, there are many benefits to affiliate marketing, the most obvious being the potential to make money. By partnering with a company and promoting their products or services, you can earn a commission on any sales that you generate. Affiliate marketing can also be a great way to build your brand and increase traffic to your website. Another benefit of affiliate marketing is the ability to track your results. With online tracking tools, you can see exactly how many people clicked on your link, how many sales were generated, and more. This information can help you to fine-tune your advertising efforts and improve your results over time. Plus, affiliate marketing is also a great way to expand your business reach. When you partner with a company, you gain access to their customer base and can promote your products or services to a larger audience. This can help you to grow your business and reach new markets. On an average, after 1 year of creating the website and putting the posts on it, it should be earning $1,000 per month, and by 2 years it should be earning $3,000, but for this you should stay consistent in your work, otherwise the market would plateau. Selling cash-secured puts on stocks you love is another way of earning the coins. When you sell a cash-secured put, you're agreeing to buy the underlying security at a set price by a certain date. In order to ensure that you can follow through on this agreement, you need to have enough cash in your account to cover the purchase price of the security. Some tips for selling cash-secured puts. Make sure you have enough cash in your account to cover the purchase price of the security. Check the current market prices and make sure you're comfortable with the potential downside if the stock falls below the set price. Always use limit orders when selling puts to get the best price possible. Monitor your positions closely and be prepared to exit if the stock moves against you. A little piece of advice: when it comes to selling cash-secured puts, timing is everything. The best time to sell a put is when the underlying security is near its highs and volatility is low. This will give you the greatest probability of success, as the option will be more likely to expire worthless. Selling puts when the market is in a downtrend or when volatility is high can be risky, as your option may be exercised if the stock price declines below the strike price. So just select a stock of your choice and start investing. You must have been to a vending machine for a quick snack before, but how about investing in them? It can be financially beneficial. The most important factor to consider when choosing a vending machine is the location. It's important to find a spot with high traffic and plenty of foot traffic. You'll also want to make sure the space is large enough to accommodate the machine. Another thing to consider is the price of the product. Most vending machines have products that range in price from 25 cents to $5. You'll also want to make sure you have a variety of products so that customers can find something they want to buy. Finally, you'll need to decide how you want to pay for the machine. How to maximize profits from your vending machine. When you invest in a vending machine, you want to make sure you're getting the most money back from that investment. Here are a few tips to help maximize your profits. 1. Location, location, location. You want to place your vending machine in an area where there is high traffic and people will be able to see it easily. This will ensure that more people will get the opportunity to buy something from your machine. 2. Keep your machine stocked. Make sure you keep your vending machine well stocked with snacks and drinks that people will want to buy. If it's empty or has nothing desirable inside, people will just move on to the next machine. 3. Price your items accordingly. You want to price your items at a point where people will be willing to buy them, but also make a profit on each sale. Without any doubt, there are many benefits of investing in vending machines. The first benefit is that you will make money. Vending machines make money because people buy things from them. The second benefit is that you will not have to work very hard. All you have to do is put the machine in a good spot and fill it up with snacks and drinks. The third benefit is that you will not have to worry about customers. Customers are not necessary for vending machines because people can buy things from them without talking to anyone. The fourth benefit is that you can sell almost anything in a vending machine. You can sell snacks, drinks, cigarettes, and even lottery tickets. The fifth benefit is that you can control how much money you make. If you want to make more money, you can put more expensive items in your vending machine. The vending machine business drives billions of dollars globally each year. You may be able to break into this lucrative market with less than $1,000, the right market research, informed decision-making, and entrepreneurial energy. Renting a room in your home can be a great way to make extra income. If you have an extra room in your home, you may be able to rent it out and make some extra money. This can be a great way to cover some of your monthly expenses or to save up for a big purchase. There are a few things you'll need to do before you start renting out your room, such as creating a rental agreement and getting renter's insurance. You'll also need to decide what you're going to charge for rent. You should also be prepared for the occasional inconvenience that comes with renting out a room in your home. Your tenants may have friends over late at night or make noise early in the morning. You'll need to establish rules and boundaries with your tenants so that everyone is clear on what is expected of them. If you can handle these minor inconveniences, renting out a room can be a great way to make some extra money. An advantage is that you can set your own rent price and terms. Actually, setting your own rent is a great way to have more control over your money. You can choose how much you want to pay each month, and you can also set the terms of your lease. This can be a great way to save money or to get into a property that is in a better location. Just be sure that you are comfortable with the financial risks involved in renting this way. I've given you 4 options, and now it's your time to choose which one is going to be your way of income without doing the office hustle. Always remember to do your research well before investing in anything. Until next time, bye.